Hello everyone, it's 31st March. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have Trump threatens Iran's oil power sites over deal. Again, very important. Then we have Iranian parliament mulls possible exit from nuclear treaty. Then we have manufacturing capital goods from patch. Then we have manufacturing capital goods lifts IIP growth to 5.2% in February. Then we have statuses come alive as poll season warms up in UP. Then we have Himachal CM says no new entry tax, shorts rationalization. Going forward, we have Assam ex-civil servants oppose illegal deployment of forest force on poll duty. Then we have 1.22 lakh Anganwadi workers in Rajasthan get 1,000 each to cover cost of 2 uniforms. Going forward, we have on the implications of euthanasia. Again, very important. Then we have what the Meta YouTube ruling means for social media. Then we have how the OpenAI Microsoft partnership is coming undone. Moving forward, we have opposition seeks discussion on impact of West Asia crisis. Then we have opposition says bill demoralize CAPF BJP defends draft legislation. Then we have UDF begin preparations for mission 2026 a year ago. It will win in Kerala. Then we have Ragasamy, Puducherry's longest serving chief minister and ace strategist in race for 5th term. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have centralized new regulation to cover social media users. Then we have India-Russia hold consultations amid crisis in West Asia. Then we have earlier census data set to be available in 2027. India has fewer villages than during census 2011. Then we have Nifty 50 marks worst month in 6 years, falls 11.4% in March. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Spain denies US permission to use its airspace for illegal war on Iran. Then we have Myanmar Junta chief steps down ICE presidential role. Then we have Iran confirms killing by Israel of Guards Navy commander. Then we have Russia says it's pleased as oil vessel reaches ally Cuba amid US blockade. Again, very important news. Then we have death penalty law for Palestinians guilty for lethal attacks passed. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.